Rolling.
Magenta! Magenta!
Caught my breath finally. Hello. Oh, I didn't see you there. The Spooner Memorial Library has a few April events happening. The first one is April 1st, Dungeons and Dragons, 1 to 3 p.m.
That same day, April 1st, Spine Poetry Contest.
The April 3rd, Archival Revel Book Club, 4:30 to 5:30.
The next one is April 4th, QPR training, 5:30 to 7 p.m.
Oh, sorry. April 8th is Puzzle Contest, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Now everyone, welcome to Stage of Friendship Buddies!
Oh. I've been missing my chip. Have you guys seen it?
Oh yes, I think it's right here. Are you, do you have a mom?
Yes, I do, but I think I lost her.
Well, I think I found her. Right there. Behind you.
Hi, Mom. Hi. Friendship matters.
It really does. Yes, it does.
Sure thing. Okay. So, we are creating an evil plan. We're creating an evil plan that involves turtle shells.